Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: using set_trace after hitting Ctrl-C during a Selenium test in Python. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and Python provides a convenient way to interact with it. When running Selenium tests, you might encounter scenarios where you want to pause the execution and inspect the state of your script. One effective way to achieve this is by using the PDB, Python Debugger, module in combination with the set_trace function. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to use set_trace after hitting Ctrl-C during a Selenium test. Save your script and run it. When the set_trace line is encountered, the script execution will pause, and the Python debugger prompt will be activated. Once the debugger is active, you can interact with it using various commands. For example, while the debugger is active, you can inspect the values of variables, check the call stack, and understand the state of your script. This is particularly useful for identifying issues or debugging complex scenarios. After analyzing the state of your script, you can resume execution by entering C and pressing Enter. This allows you to continue the Selenium test from where it was paused. Using set_trace, in combination with Ctrl-C during a Selenium test, can be a valuable debugging technique. It allows you to interactively inspect your code and identify issues more effectively. Experiment with this approach to enhance your Selenium test development process. ChatGPT